Alam mo, may mga season sa buhay natin na parang walang nangyayari. Walang applause, walang proof, walang confirmation. Pero alam mo, hindi ibig sabihin nun walang ginagawa si Lord para sa'yo. Kasi minsan tahimik lang talaga siya gumalaw. Hindi obvious, pero intentional. Kaya yung waiting season mo, alam mo, hindi yun delay. Preparation yun. Kaya alam mo, habang iniisip mo na stuck ka, God is building something in you that you all need later. Character, patience, strength na hindi kita sa katawan pero ramdam sa loob. At darating yung punto ng life mo na masasabi mo na, kaya pala kailangan mong maghintay. Kaya pala kailangan mong magtiwala kahit hindi mo pa nakikita. Because God lays the vision in your heart, He also carry you through the process. Because when God works, nothing is wasted. So keep going. It's not done yet.